Damn, what's good, y'all? We back, man. We finna go get this bitch washed up, man. A little POV drive for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I'll get y'all a little cold start. It ain't gonna stay started though, cause I do got a little check engine light, dude. But I'll get y'all a little cold start though. Hold on. But no, this is a little start from inside now. Hold on. Tripping. Damn. Ignore the cat, my nigga. Ignore the cat. Ignore the cat. Ignore the cat. But no, right now we about to go to the gas station, my nigga, because as y'all can see, it ain't never no gas in this bitch. And yes, this is a Scatpack cluster 10. But as y'all can see, it ain't no gas in this bitch. So we finna pull up to the gas station and get some gas, and then we gonna go to the car wash. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be the little POV drive right there, going to the car wash and probably back. This fucker is loud, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, y'all gotta hear this bitch. Like, I wish y'all could hear this bitch in person, because I just don't feel like on the camera it's gonna do like justice. But yeah, but like I said though, my check engine light is on, cause bro, my oil pressure sensor is messed up. Like, bro, that bitch reads like super high. So I mean, I am gonna get it fixed, but I don't know, it just ain't really been no priority for real. I ain't gonna lie, it really haven't been no priority. And my brakes, man. Hey, bro, look, real talk, bro. Just enjoy the ride, bro. Y'all don't really gotta even too much worry about the car, bro. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker loud, bro. So I do got, I still got my cats on, but my mids and my rear mufflers is gone. That's my whole exhaust setup right there. I got cats, just my rear and mids is gone. You know what I'm saying? I do want my cats cut eventually. I probably might mess around and wait till the summertime though. So on the extra loud tip. Alright, everybody back outside for real. But as y'all can hear, this bitch do scream though. This bitch does scream, like it does scream, bro. No cap. Shout out to the mail truck, man, for delivering our mail through the hood. No cap. Yeah, though, this bitch do scream though, you feel me? But chill, I told y'all I'm gonna break. Damn, man, look, this bitch get the twerking when I need the brake. Oh shit, bro, this shit funny as hell, bro. Look, my other Charger, it's crazy, bro, because every time I get a Charger, that bitch, it don't never got brakes, bro. Like, damn. Niggas be neglecting brakes on these bitches, but I'm finna get my shit fixed. The brakes, that's my main priority, bro. Fuck that oil pressure sensor. I ain't really too much worried about that little shit. But we about to pull into the gas station right now. Feel me? About to pull into the gas station right now. I do miss, damn. I do miss like my other Charger though, bro, cause it's like the miles per gallon was way better on that bitch. Like, this shit crazy, dog. Like, I tell y'all niggas, bro, I be at this bitch every day, like, no cap, I'm a known customer. But look, man, we about to put some gas in here, and I'm gonna get right back with y'all as soon as we back on the road. All right, bro. We done pumping the gas, man. I only threw 20 in this bitch because, feel me, I'm about to build this bitch up probably tomorrow, so I just threw 20 in there so I can get to where I gotta go today. I'm gonna start this bitch up for y'all boys, man. Y'all gotta have the door open and shit. Fuck. Alright, man. But yeah, bro, I only threw 20 in this bitch. Just so I can get to where I gotta go today. See, that bitch gave me a little, that is like a little under half, you know what I'm saying? A little 81 miles to go type shit. And then look, I wanna drive this bitch in manual for y'all boys, but as y'all can see, I don't got no paddle shifter. Like, I gotta fuck around and buy some. And then it's the only way I could do it. Ignore this shit, bro. I really don't even ask what happened. But I, you know what I'm saying, I can only shift with the knob and shit. So on some Fast and Furious shit. You know, we about to get back on the road. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when we on our way to the car wash. Type shit. Don't let this bitch get to screaming. This bitch ain't in sport mode or nothing either. Oh yeah, don't let this bitch get to screaming. It ain't in sport or nothing. This bitch is noisy, man. Hey, get this bitch, bro. I don't even know what it's called, bro. Hold on. What that bitch called? I don't even know what that bitch called, but that bitch smell, bro. That bitch smell fucking amazing, cuz. Hold on, bro. I'm finna throw this bitch in sport for y'all. Throw this bitch in sport real quick. Damn. Alright, there y'all go. We got a light too. That shit crazy. I really could've waited. Throw that bitch in sport for y'all boys, man. Look, I'm about to show y'all you see my engine, my oil pressure. That bitch at fucking 100. Like, obviously it's not, but you get what I'm saying, though. Niggas be driving with the traction off. Like, what the fuck does that? What do driving with the traction off do, bro? Somebody let me know. Like, I really don't know. Damn, y'all heard that bitch fart? That bitch is really farted, bro. No cap. Then we behind this slow ass Pacifica. Yeah, y'all heard that downshift? No, we behind this slow ass Pacifica though, bro. Damn. Please turn. I think this street opened up though, the 2 lanes and shit. I think. Boys, I just got flick. I really just got flick yesterday in this bitch. And these trains, I'm finna jump these bitches. Damn! I probably just fucked all kind of shit up. Damn. Bro, these roads is shitty too, bro. Like, trying to drive on these roads, this shit be crazy. That shit irritating, though. I gotta get some paddle shifters, bro. I might just order them bitches right now, cause, bro, I wish I could really, like, do some crazy shit. But I can't. I gotta use all pedal. I end up turning right here. Y'all know what's crazy, bro? I don't never really have cash on me. So, like, I really don't be going to the car wash like that. I only go to the car wash if they take card. But today I got cash on me. Yeah, I'll just go past that bitch. Oh, where that bitch at? Oh, okay. I see that bitch. Damn, stop twerking. Them bitch throwing that ass. Damn. Yes, sir, man. Shout out Sparkle Buggy, man. Yes, sir. They probably, you know what I'm saying? This is my first time taking this bitch to the car wash too, so I got it. Cause I don't never be having cash, but I'm gonna do the little $10 one. Ooh, type shit. No, I'm finna do that, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all boys when I find this $10, cause I know I got it. It's in my pocket somewhere. Found that bitch right here. You better make my shit straight, but no, bro. Car wash is therapeutic as hell though, bro. Like, no cap, like. Not really the beginning part, but the part like when you when the soap get on your car and shit. You know what I'm saying? You listen to a little ride wave and shit while you know what I'm saying, vibing in the car wash and shit, bro. That should be therapy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, bro, where the colorful soap at, bro? Damn. Got this weak ass white soap on my shit. I want the colorful shit, bro. Damn, bro. They don't got colorful soap in this bitch. Okay, I see a little blue. Oh, where the red is, bro? Damn. These niggas got weak ass soap. They got L soap in this bitch, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. L soap, my nigga. Where the fuck is the colorful soap at, bro? That's the therapy part, my nigga. I swear they had the colorful soap before, bro. I come to this bitch all the time. I used to come when I had my other shit, bro. Hell soap, man. Damn. That shit low-key just made me mad a little bit. I ain't even gonna lie. Alright, y'all. We out that bitch, man. They done freed us out the car wash. I'm about to park my shit so we can, like, look at this bitch. I'm gonna just pull up to the vacuums and shit. Actually, I'm finna back this bitch in so I don't gotta back out type shit. What do you say? Need a camera on my license plate so I could bag in. Type shit. Hold on. Throw that bitch. They say throw that motherfucker back. Oh, I'm tripping. Damn, I'm in 2 spots, nigga. I ain't even gonna be here long, bro. Real shit. Alright, man. That's what we working with. You know what I'm saying? My shit's still hella wet. This bitch, that motherfucker's still hella wet. Oh, look at the tires, nigga. Hey, I got some Hellcat rims at the crib. I'll show y'all them bitch when I get back. That bitch is shiny as hell. My bad. I'm back in here. I'm sorry. My car was mad because the key fob lit. But all in all, W wash, you know what I'm saying? We about to drive back to the crib, so it's just gonna be a POV back to the crib, and then shit. I'll show y'all the Hellcat rims I got. Them bitches sweet as hell. I ain't gonna lie. I just gotta buy some 22s to put them bitches on, and them bitches like 400 all together. So we about to get back on the road, cause they talking about seatbelt. Hold on. All right, my nigga. Safety first, my nigga. That seatbelt on. Especially if you in oil, you know what I'm saying? You doing some fast shit, you want some quick shit, throw on that little seatbelt, dude. Alright, man, we finna go ahead. Bust this right ski. Damn. What I gotta do to get some traction in this bitch, bro? The traction control ain't even, that bitch ain't even in sport. That bitch on all the way. We just gonna bust this right ski right here, man. We finna be right back to the crib, man, bro. See, that's why I like my location, like where I stay at a little bit, cause it's like shit just be around the corner. Like I don't even gotta leave this side of town unless I'm trying to get some like. Only thing is, bro, about where I stay at, like there's no good eats on this side of town, bro. All the good eats is on like the other side of town, bro. There's no good food over here. Like it's like you got your McDonald's, you know what I'm saying, your basic, regular, everyday shit. It ain't no like W eats over here. I might just go straight, bro, cause I don't really feel like fucking with this truck. Fuck it. It's like I don't really like being in traffic, bro. I get out of that shit at all costs. Drive through all this dirt, bro. I don't even know if I'll be able to see. It's hella dirt right there. With my brand new tire shine. That shit crazy, ain't it? Bro, slow down on me. I ain't trying to. Man. I was gonna do some ignorant shit and go over there and just go around them niggas, cause like just like it merged into one lane. I was like, fuck it, bro. I can't even get no crazy ass like pulls for y'all. I can't even get no crazy pulls for y'all, bro. Damn. I lucky should have did that shit for the content. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. Shit crazy. I'm actually supposed to be going to the gym like pretty soon here. Y'all can see, nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go hoop. I'm hooping just like this, bro. I'm hooping black Nike, bro. I'm hooping black Nike Tech. And I got some Kyrie's in my bag, my nigga. That's how we coming. Nothing more, nothing less, bro. I'm in that bitch strictly to get buckets. I ain't even gonna get no footage. I ain't gonna record me hooping, man. Niggas ain't ready for that shit, bro. I'll break you to a hooping. What are you talking about? Yeah. I can't do this in traffic shit. I throw my shit in neutral and make this bitch get to screaming, bro. Fuck. Fuck it, bro. We finna just turn down the residential, buddy. Yeah, that motherfucker over. Okay. Nah, man, we finna pull it back up to the crib, cause why not? I think this is a good little POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Wasn't nothing crazy or nothing, you know, wasn't no crazy pulls and no shit like that. So I'm gonna start doing this shit more, like I'm gonna start doing way more POV drives. So, you know what I'm saying? This just was a little intro. Stay tuned for all the mods coming to this bitch. Now, this the thing, bro, cause look, I got hella parts. Like, I got hella parts right now, I swear I do. Like, for 2nd gen Chargers and shit. But, bro, when I tell y'all it's cold as fuck, bro, and, like, I just don't feel like being out, like, outside doing this shit. Really, like, that's why the only mod that I really did was the Scatpack cluster. Cause I'm like, I could be inside the car and do that shit. I got some, like, some smoked headlights. I got some Spec Ds. I got some smoked headlights that I really want to put on this bitch. But, bro, it's so fucking cold, bro. Like, I just don't be feeling like doing it. I don't know which ones I'm gonna put on here yet. Either the, like, the black ones or the Spec Ds. Cause the Spec Ds is smoked, but they not like, that dark, like how I thought they was gonna be. And I had them on my other Charger too. I don't know though, I did like them though, but I don't know which ones I'm gonna put on there yet, but I might. Hey, what if I came mismatched headlights, bro? That'd be crazy, bro. Like, will mismatched headlights be crazy, bro? I don't know, buddy. But look, man, we pulling back up to the crib, so we about to go ahead and end this POV drive, man. But like, comment, subscribe, man, if you haven't already. And I'm out, bro.